Okay, how about we make a nice cranberry pie for Christmas? All right, what I have there is 4 cups of cranberries that I've chopped up in a food processor. To that, I've added 1.5 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, an egg that I lightly beat, and a half a teaspoon of almond extract. And then you're just going to stir things around until everything is mixed. And we should be ready for the next step. Oh, wait. I forgot one thing. Cheat code. Put in a shot of brandy. All right, so I got a 9-inch pie tin here with a crust. And basically you just want to dump all the filling in. You do kind of want to mix it around very, very gently. Because, again, you got the little bit more solid part, a little bit more liquid part. Just gently mix this shit around. Scoop anything back down. And then prepare to do the shittiest lattice job that the world has ever seen. I admit this sucked, but it was my first pie. And look, honestly, if I had to call your first girlfriends and how you handled your first pie, it'd probably be pretty shitty too. So anyway, do the shittiest lattice job on the goddamn planet. And then you want to pop it in the oven at 400 degrees. At 400 degrees, you want to bake it for 10 minutes and 10 minutes only. After that, you want to reduce it to 350 degrees. And then you want to bake that for 35 minutes. If you guys want to coat the crust with a little bit of sugar or whatever, that's fine too. All right, let's pop this son of a bitch in the oven. All right, and after the cooking time of roughly 45 minutes, that's what we have. So, Christmas cranberry pie. Done.